Hello students, myself again welcome to Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malnad online classes. Students, our fourth standard subject math and topic is our chapter is subtraction. What we learned in previous lecture? We saw various examples of exercise number 1 in previous lecture. We completed up to question number 1 to question number 3 in previous lecture. So, our 3 questions are remain. Question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. In this lecture, we have to solve this question. So, see here. Question number 4. You also see this question in your textbook. Exercise number 1. So, question number 4 is the answer to an addition is 950. Means addition of two numbers is 950. Means two numbers are not given, but these two numbers addition is given here and it is 950. Then see next. One of the number is 427. Which is the other number? Means students, addition of two numbers is 950. But from these two numbers, one of the number is 427. And what we have to find? We have to find which is the other number. Okay, so see here. Solution. See here. What is given? First write down what given in question. Addition is 950. Whose addition? Two numbers addition is two numbers addition is how much? 915. Two numbers addition is 915. Next, what is given? One of the number is 427. Write down. One of the number, which is number 427. What is other number? Suppose, see here, other number. We know about other number? No, we have to find what is other number. So, see here, two numbers addition is 950. One of the number from these two numbers is 427 and we have to find other number. So what have to we do? We have to do here subtraction between two numbers, this number and this number. So other number is, see here, other number is equal to 915 minus 427. How to find this answer? So see here, make a columns and solve this example of subtraction. We have to solve this example of subtraction. 915 minus 427. How to solve this example? First give places, units, tens, hundreds. Then 5 units minus 7 units. Is it possible? No, because 5 units are smaller than 7 units. Therefore, we have to be taking borrow 0 is less than 2. Therefore, here we have to take a borrow from neighboring place, means hundreds place. So, we take a borrow from here. Here remain 8 and here we get 10. Therefore, 10 tens minus 2 tens. How much? 8. And next, 8 hundreds minus 4 hundreds. How much? 4. Therefore, other number is equal to 950 minus 427 is equal to 488. Therefore, write down answer in full sentence. Which is the other number? 488 is the other number. 488 is the other number. Do you understand, students? This example means here we have to give an addition of two numbers and one number from these two numbers, and we find here 488 is the other numbers. Means sometimes given example is for addition or subtraction, but sometimes your given is addition is given here and one number is also given, but we have to find other number. Do you understand? Students, question number 5. Read this question. The answer to an addition is 915. Choose any number smaller than 800 as one of the number and find the other number. Here we have to write first what is given in example. Tell me what is given here. Here answer to an addition is 915. Write down here. Answer to an addition is how much? Is equal to 915. Then second condition, choose any number. Any number means for what purpose? One of the number. But how? Which number? Smaller than 800. Means two numbers addition is 915. From these two numbers, one number is smaller than 800. But what is this number? See here. Choose any number smaller than 800. Tell me which numbers are smaller than 800. 1, 2, 799 numbers are smaller than 800. Means one of the number from these two numbers is 1 to 799. But this number is given? No, we have to choose this number. See here. If we take any number or first number, any number not for first number. If we take first number is equal to 705, which is less than 800. Then what we have to find? We have to find other number. So, what is other number? We don't know about other number. We have to find this number. How to find this number? Other number is equal to 915. What is this? Answer of addition. And first number is any number smaller than 800 and we choose here number 705. Using your mind, you also choose another number on the place of 705, means 600, 590, 437, like these numbers from 1 to 799. Do you understand this example? Okay, next example. So students, question number 6. Using the numbers 534 and 252, write subtraction, word problem and solve. Means students, up to question number 5, what was given? Given addition or some word problems. Okay, but in this example, no word problem is given. Here given are answers and we have to make word problem and what is this condition? Solve. So students, means in this example, using 534 and 252, we have to make word problem. So see word problem. Students, I made here one word problem. You make word problem using your brain power. So, my making word problem is Tina has collected 534 flowers. Means here we use this given number. Which number? 534. Because condition is in your making word problem, use these two numbers. So, Tina has collected 534 flowers. Then, why Meena has collected 252 flowers? Means here, next given number is 252 and I write here 252 flowers, means I use this number in this word problem. So, how many more flowers does Tina have than Meena? And again, we made this problem and again we have to solve this problem. So, solution is see here. Tina has collected 534 flowers. Tina's flowers, how much? 534. And then Meena's flowers, how much? Meena's flowers are 252. Here we have to find how many more flowers does Tina have than Meena. Means here we have to solve this problem of subtraction. Therefore, see here, first solve the subtraction problem. Units, tens, hundreds. 534 minus 252. 4 minus 2, how much? 2. Then 3 tens minus 5 tens. Is it possible? No. Therefore, take borrow from neighboring place. So here 500s are given. Therefore, take borrow